Hello students, today's second lecture on ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree. In first lecture, we have already learned about the first order and first degree of differential equation. Then here an ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree is of the form m plus n into dy by dx equal to 0 or m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y or constants. The general solution of such equation will contain only one arbitrary constant. The method of solving a differential equation of first order and first degree. Following are the types of solving differential equation of the first order and first degree. There are 7 methods. First, variable separable form, homogeneous differential equations, non-homogeneous differential equations, linear differential equations, equations reducible to the linear form. It is called Bernoulli's form, exact differential equations, and equation reducible to exact form by using integrating factor. First of all, we can learn the first method of solving ordinary differential equation, variable separable form. In this form, many first order differential equation can be reduced to the form dy by dx equal to f of x upon g of y, or dy by dx equal to g of y upon f of x. By algebraic manipulation, we find it convenient to write g of y into dy equal to f of x into dx, or dy upon g of y equal to dx upon f of x. Here y is on one side and x is on other side. This is called variable separable form. The first example of this form is dy by dx equal to x sin x upon 2 into e raised to y sin hyperbolic y. Then solution of this equation is, this given equation is of the form dy by dx equal to f of x upon g of y, because the x variables, x functions are in the numerator and in denominator only y variables or y functions. Hence, it can be expressed in the variable separable form as g of y into dy equal to f of x into dx. This example equal to, the y is on one side and x is on other side. This can be arranged in this form, this equation. Then by arranging this, we can take the integration on both sides. By this, first of all, the sin hyperbolic x, instead of this, the formula in the form of y e raised to y minus e raised to minus y, it is substituted, formula of sin hyperbolic y. Then this integration x sin x, here we can apply generalization of integration or by parts. The integration of this term is x as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x, plus integration of x is 1 and sin x as it is, plus c. The integration of this term is like this. Then here, first of all, bracket solving e raised to y into e raised to y, it is e raised to 2y, minus e raised to y into e raised to minus y is 1. Then from taking integration, e raised to 2y upon 2 minus y equal to this integration. This is the general solution of this differential equation in the form of variable separable form.